Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall apps on Toshiba 32WA2363DG. To do it, simply go to the apps section, right? You can see different apps here. Now go to an app you want to uninstall, press and hold on OK button. Then you'll see these options here. For some reason I don't have an install here. I'll try to go to info to see if I can uninstall it from the info. Though no, okay. Let's say Prime Video has to say, but the Apple TV was installed by me, so I should be able to uninstall it. Yeah, once I press and hold on OK button, I can go to uninstall. Now I can uninstall it, click on OK, and it's getting uninstalled. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.